Hey guys, here's another little video we put together showing a fun project we got to be a part of. It's for a custom staircase and it's a customer's house. And this one's a little special to us because it's truly our first tree to house finished product project that we've done where a customer brought us just a load of logs, dropped them off. We milled them for them into these big 3-inch thick beams, and then we kiln dried them in our new iDry vacuum kiln. And then here's the last step you see where we're basically finishing up and prepping them to be stair treads for a new custom staircase that they're building in their house. So the first step, you saw me breaking that 300-pound beam down into smaller pieces. Now I am getting it on the CNC to just basically flatten one side. Unfortunately, I don't have a 16-inch wide jointer. If I did, then I could just run these over a jointer, but yeah, those are expensive and they take up a lot of room, so I don't have one of those. So we use a CNC to get one side flat, and that makes things a lot easier. I'll get another one going here while I take the next one over here to the jointer. So now I got that first side flat. Again, we'll use that back reference edge face to get an edge nice and flat. Now that I have a nice flat edge that's also perpendicular to that first face, then I can now rip it down on the table saw. And really impressed too how that saw stop handles this 3-inch thick white oak. Now that we've got it flat on one side and squared up, then we just run it down to the final thickness for the customer, which was 2.5 inches. And there you go. Beautifully finished, and now we just do that about 28 more times. And our customer was nice enough to let us come into their mostly finished house and take some videos of the finished product, the staircase that they built, and it just came out fantastic. So we're really happy with this, and it was really fun to work with this. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.